Mason pot fam, how to decarb low key with very little to no smell using the Mason pot infuser or just a mason jar. It's that simple to cut back on the smell if that's something you're worried about. All you have to do is unscrew your jar, put your flour or concentrate right in the jar, screw it back on, put it in the oven, 240 degrees for 40 minutes. If you're using the Mason pot, we have the thermometer so you can gauge the exact time inside the jar. There's some like decarb boxes on the market that essentially do the same thing. The Mason pot is just an all-in-one way to do that. Now we have tons of decarb videos on this channel, but I'll go through it here real quick. As I just mentioned, we typically recommend doing 240 degrees for about 40 minutes or so. You can do 240 to 250 if you'd like. And again, this gets the exact temperature inside the jar. And the decarboxylation process, also known as the activation of the bud, is what turns that THCA into THC. It needs that heat component to really get the best potency and the best absorption no matter what oil you're using. So if you want to go low key, less smell, consider using the Mason pot or any other mason jar to cut back on that smell, guys. I hope this video finds you well. If you're vibing with the Mason pot fam, please subscribe, share our channel because we're building a cool community of cannabis enthusiasts, infusion enthusiasts, and just people that like to have fun and get creative.